Okay, so welcome to the Artful Archives. Today we're going to learn how to install ccvault wallet in your browser. So the first thing we're going to do is go to ccvault.io. There it is. Load, and then we're going to choose the extension options. You can see we've got Chrome, Edge, Brave, Opera. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to notice right off the bat, mine says remove from Brave. That's because I already installed it. Okay, so but that's where you would normally click right there. Click on that, and you'll see after it installs this little icon here in this corner pop up. Now, if you click on this icon, you'll see you can pin ccvault extension to your browser. So that's where it'll live. Okay, let's enter it. So we're now entering the extension part of your browser. And you can see I already have created a wallet. But what you want to do at this point, what you're going to want to do is create a wallet. I'm not going to really do this here. Let's see. Go through all these steps again. Oh, this already exists. Okay, so let's go arcs. I will create a password. Let's try. A very strong one. Okay. Confirm that no one else can see your screen. Wow. We can all see that. Okay. One of the things I really like about this is they numbered all these letters. So I would highly encourage you to number these as well when you write them down. And I'm going to stress, write them down. Don't do what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take a screenshot of everything. Okay. And I got to figure out where I put this. In pictures. Oh, I made 2 screenshots. See, I did this one earlier. Well, I did earlier. Okay, so now that I have a screenshot of this, I can go ahead and start. Yes, of course I wrote them down carefully. I can start typing them all back in. Okay, so as we're typing them back in, I wanted to show you something. Click down here. You can see that it actually comes up with an entire list of the words with just 2 letters. So that's really cool. The other one, other programs like Yoroi and Delius, whenever you might have to type 3 and then the list gets really short. See how it's just 1 word on there? Okay, so I recommend just typing 2, you get a long list and then selecting from the list. And that's for a keylogger attack. If your computer has been compromised and someone's logging everything that you're typing, that's how they can get your seed phrase. So important just to type 2 letters and then select from the list. That keeps it from keylogger attack getting your seed phrase. Okay, so you want to go ahead and just start trucking these all in. And again, the lettering is really nice too, because you can see, oh, I'm on 13 and I'm typing in coach. Okay, obviously that's not the right one. But you keep track of where you're at in this whole entire process. Okay, once you're done with it, let's see here. What's going to happen is I believe you're going to enter this in twice, and then you get your wallet. Now, one of some of the features of this wallet that I really like about it is that there's just that. There's a lot of features. You can enable a DApp account. The summaries, token lists are all visible. They're right in front of you. You do the voting option, staking. Oh, okay. Don't forget to stake to ArcPool if you like this. I don't have anything in here, but don't forget to stake to ArcPool once you get your wallet up. We'd really appreciate that. We do have the Cardano Foundation delegation. It is going away in a couple of weeks, and we could use as many people in as we can to help support our pool and to keep this kind of content coming. But yeah, you can see all your transactions here: send, receive, account, and I think that token option is really cool too. You can see all your native assets, and they list them all out here. Maybe we'll do another video on tokens, and we'll show how they look like in this wallet. But again, it's a fast wallet. It uses the ccvault. It uses their servers to put information onto the blockchain. And yeah, enjoy this wallet. That's it for this video. Thank you.